today, all about our tamariki and whānau today, especially in the Otangarei community. We're here to give back to our community and tamariki here.
I reckon it's really important because it's doable. You can create memories, you can create good ones, fond ones. It's easy enough to, people seem to find, have the ability to hold on to some old stuff. Like it's damaging, but there's good stuff that really repairs some sad wounds that might have happened through our lives.
Kotahitanga, all working as one, manaaki with our whānau, and just that whakawhanaungatanga, because everyone stays in their homes, they might meet in the street, but when you come to community events, it's that catch-up time, it's that whānau connect, and like, oh, I must come and see you next week. And so there's a roll-on effect of connection, so I love our events.
These events boost the morale of the community, but not only that, we've also got, like gentrification, we've got new families that are coming into this community, so they know how this community rolls and that they can settle in a lot better.
Just sharing with the community, with the kids, even our kids in Otangarei, kura, and the free food.
I really like how everything's free, even Mr. Whoopi's here.
Probably the ice cream.
Being here with my friends.
Probably watching all the little kids play.
I know that our home lives aren't all that happy at times. They're not just that smooth sailing. So if I see a whānau walking out with smiles on their faces, kids are happy, mum and dad, or mum or dad, nan are happy, for a little while there, we've created stability, and hey, that's a good thing.
A lot of aroha, a lot of aroha between the community, coming together as one and uniting as one.
You know, the parents wait around, they know, and when these events are coming about, they know when they're coming. It just really promotes that whānau get together. You can see it on their faces, they love it.
Thank you for always supporting us in Otangarei. Yeah, mihi atu.